In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a producer tag in FL Studio with AI. First, open FL Studio on your computer. You can either start a brand new project or open an existing beat if you already know where you want the tag to go. Before you do any editing, write out your producer tag. Keep it short, catchy, and easy to recognize because the best tags are memorable and don't take up too much space in the track. Next, choose an AI voice generator that gives you a voice you have permission to use. Once you've picked the tool, type in your producer tag text and experiment with the available voice, tone, and delivery options until it sounds right for your style. When you're happy with it, download the generated audio, ideally as a WAV file or another format FL Studio supports well. Now bring that audio into FL Studio by dragging the file into the playlist or the channel rack. Once it's inside your project, trim the recording so there's no unnecessary silence at the beginning or end. If the file needs more cleanup, open it in Edison and remove extra silence or any unwanted noise so the tag sounds clean and polished. After that, start shaping the sound. Add Fruity Parametric EQ2 to remove low frequencies you don't need and make the voice clearer. Then use Fruity Compressor or another compressor to even out the volume so the tag feels more controlled and consistent. From there, add Fruity Reverb 2 to give the voice some space. Keep the wet and dry balance under control so it still stays understandable. If you want a more dramatic feel, add Fruity Delay 3 for an echo effect. You can also experiment with pitch using New Tone, Pitch Shifter, or another pitch effect to make the tag deeper, brighter, or more stylized. If you want it to cut through the mix a little more, try adding a small amount of distortion or saturation. Just be careful not to overdo it, because clarity matters more than extreme effects. As you keep going, build a unique effect chain by combining EQ, compression, reverb, delay, and pitch until the tag has its own signature sound. If you want extra movement, automate effects like delay or reverb so the last word trails off more dramatically. Once the tag sounds right, place it in your beat. Good spots include the beginning, right before the drop, or anywhere strategic where it won't clash with the music. Adjust the volume so it's clearly audible without overpowering the beat. Finally, export the tag as a separate WAV file using File, then Export, and save your FL Studio project as well so you can come back and edit the tag later.